Good morning everyone and welcome to my new vlog series. I don't know the word. Yeah, I'm starting to vlog in English on this channel. I have another channel in German and yeah, I decided to vlog on this channel now. I will vlog and do some makeup tutorials or makeup related stuff. So welcome after I think 1 year. I was away for 1 year or something, I don't know. But my family, my sister, my mother, they encouraged me to start this channel. Yeah, my English is bad. My English is so bad. But you know what? Who cares? I'm still gonna do me. I'm still gonna do it. And yeah. So 10:09 now. I am on my way to collect some packages from UPS. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. And from a neighbor of mine, I got a package from DHL, but I wasn't at home, so they gave it to my neighbor. And most of my neighbors here, they really are like, they're friendly and they always take the packages when I'm not home, because I'm always not always, but I'm not that often home. So yeah. So people, it's me. My name is Victoria and I live in Berlin, Germany. But I wasn't born here. I was born in Uganda, for those who will ask me. So let's get this out right away. Yeah, that's it, people. Welcome, welcome. I've already done my hair, like baby hairs, and so like they're laid like nothing. And I did my eyebrows and put on some lip gloss. And yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Not of the day, but for now, like my Nike jacket. So everyone, I am back from doing some stuff, getting some stuff done. I have a cooperation with E-Entertainment because they're coming to Germany, and they were so kind and so nice to ask me for a cooperation, and I said yes. It's because of the 16th season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Yeah, you know who I'm talking about. We all know Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and they sent me this book from Kim Kardashian West, and it's handwritten or hand signed from her. And yeah, it's called Selfish, and I don't know what I should think about it. I just looked up some pictures from her. It's like, yeah, it's like selfies only inside, and there are some selfies I don't like, but you know what, it's her thing. Like yesterday I bought a bike, and that's why I bought I don't know the English word, but it's for putting in some air in my yeah, you know, the air for what for this. And also this one for my bicycle. Yes, you see it. And what else? Yeah, and I bought this one. It's for this one. It's a mask, peel-off mask. And I just want to try it. It's from the company Balea. I don't know. From DM. It's called DM, the store here. And I also bought some deo. I love collecting deo. I have so many. And yeah, I have this here for my nails. But it's looking like this. And I have another mask. This one is from the Dead Sea, and I hope it's good. I heard so many good things about it. That's why I bought it. But it was only 55 cents. And this one is a detox mask. I'm gonna try them out. Or only one of them for now, and I think that's it. And like I told you, I had to go to DHL and pick up another package. This is the package I picked up. I know it's like twisted. It's from Justfab, and yeah, people, let us check this out. Let me just place the camera somewhere. So let's see, because they had a big sale, that's why I bought some shoes. Oh my god, they look so nice. I love Justfab. So it's better. So Justfab, if you're seeing my video, please sponsor me. Maybe I will try them out on later, but I don't know. For now, I'm just gonna show you how they look like. Out of the package. This one are the first ones. I bought this ones because of the color. I never had such a color. And because of the heel. Do you see that? It's a really nice heel. And my size is like 37 and a half. Yeah, this is the first one. And it looks so nice. I love it. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Ah! People, look at this one. This is the second one with flowers. The heel is such a big chunky heel. So the next one. Oh, the next one are these ones. I love heels with flower and I love heels with colors. These ones are the next one. You see them? And I think they will be so nice in summertime. And the heel is not that high and it's a big chunky heel, so you can work with that. I bought like 7 pairs, but 1 pair was already sold out. Like 3, yeah, it's like 6. Oh, this one, that's crazy. This one is from Shoe Dazzle. I always thought that Shoe Dazzle is the same store like Justfab, but for now I'm sure it is. It is. Oh, this ones. These ones are simple. They look like this. They're just black, simple shoes. I love it that this one is not that thin. You know, that thin ones. I have some of them and I don't like them because I can only wear them like for 2 hours and then my feet start to hurt. And this one is with, you can wrap it up like. For now, I love every one of them. Oh, the next one is this one with the camouflage. One with the camouflage. I love them. I love them. They look like this. Yeah, I like it. And the last one, the wedges. I love this. They look really nice. I love them. I will keep all of them because they look so nice. So nice. I'm in love. Wow. So, people, that's it for now. Now I'm gonna put on the mask I bought, one of them, and then I'm gonna start to film a video for my German channel. And yeah, and then I will see you later. So now, yeah, here they are. I'm gonna put in my contact lenses because I don't wanna be on my bike with my glasses on because I'm always like sweating. I'm afraid that I lose my glasses, so that's why I'm gonna put in my contacts. And it's also more comfortable riding a bike with my contacts in instead of my glasses. So I'm changing that quickly. Then I'm gonna do some breakfast because the guy who is fixing my car, we had to meet at 11 a.m. and he came like 30 minutes. He came 30 minutes late. That's why I had to be there for so long and I need to be at work at 2 p.m. That's why I'm gonna eat some cornflakes. Yeah. Just gonna eat some cornflakes and it's this one, or muesli, you know, the muesli one. This one, I'm gonna eat that. I already put in some in my bowl and now I'm gonna put in some milk. And I also like my muesli when it's warm, so I'm gonna put it in my microwave, my muesli. There, in my microwave. So, I can't go like that with this, it's from Calvin Klein, it's like a bralette. So I can't go like this. I'm gonna wear my, this jacket. It's like see-through, as you can see. And it's from Nike. And that one, this is the one I'm gonna wear. Oh, I need to do some sports. Like, I look like a big fat ass. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna wear it like this and I don't care. It is what it is. You guys, today is a holiday, but still I'm gonna go to work and still I have so much stress. Like, it's unbelievable. Okay. Yes, that's my life. Not always like that, but for now it's like that and it sucks. Really, it really sucks. Like, yesterday was so stressful. I couldn't even film again. After I showed you these shoes, I had to go to work, and then from there I had to meet up with the girl because we did a video and she stayed here, and we didn't really plan it like that, but it went like that and was also okay, but it was too much for me because the day was already so stressful, and then yeah, it was too much. It was really too much. And yeah, for now I bought my car to this guy, and he's like, he's gonna look at it on Tuesday. So I am without a car for some days now, and I always need my car to go to work. But the lucky thing is that it's holidays, like today, Friday, it's a holiday, and Monday is also a holiday, so that's nice. But on Tuesday, I actually need my car. It will be so stressful, but I just have to do it. I have to deal with it. You know, I'm so grateful. You know, my car is like 200 euros worth or something, and but still I'm blessed that I have this car, and I was so happy having this car. It's an old car, it's like 20 years old, but I was happy. But now that it needs to be fixed again, it's like, wow, now I have to ride a bicycle. It's like, I don't know, I'm feeling like things are falling apart a little bit, but I'm trying to stay positive, you know. I still have my health, I still have my apartment, and I'm still alive, so we need to keep it going, like, girl, keep it going. So I'm gonna eat and then go to work. So see you later, people. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we have the 20th of April, and it's a Saturday. Yeah, I'm already done my makeup, and now I'm waiting for a little girl that I will help in math. It's like, yeah, I will try to help her in math because they have holidays, and she's already going to someone. But yeah, she asked me and I was free, so I said to her she can come to me, I can try to help her, and that's what I'm doing in a few minutes. And then I will go out with a friend of mine. We're gonna go to something like, it's I don't know the English word, I will put it in here somewhere. It's like where you, it's called in German Rummel. We're going to a Rummel. It's like a festival. Yeah, it's like a festival, but not really a festival because it's really not a festival. Like, no, it's not a festival, but you could see it like a festival. It's like there are people selling food, selling stuff. You can eat there, you can play games, you can go on this, it's called Achterbahn. I will put the English word somewhere here. And yeah, that's where we are going. And I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera with me. I think not. Yeah, that's what we are going to do. And now I'm waiting for this girl. She is late. She is really late, but we will see how far we can go. And yeah, today it's such a warm day. It's like 21 degrees, and I'm so happy. Always when the weather is nice, my heart is happy and everything is happy because I'm such a summer person. I hate winter. I hate everything that's cold. I hate snow. I really hate snow. Like what the, yeah, I really hate snow. Oh, I need to lay down my arm. Yeah. So I'm waiting, still waiting here. Yeah, that's it, people. That's it. If you have any questions, just ask them down below, and see ya later.